Hello friends, how are you all? Many people are now coming to Germany. Next year they will be start coming because it will be the start of the next student academic year also, and also for the purpose of jobs. Some will be coming just for the tourism, some will be visiting just their relatives. So whatever is the reasons for you to come to Germany, before you come here, I think that you should be aware of the scams which are going here on Germany and which are very prevalent. And even if you're new to Germany, you're already here, even then you should know, because I have fallen victim to many such scams, and I don't want you to be the victim of such scams. That is why I thought of making this vlog, and I really think that this will be very useful for the people who are already in Germany or who are planning to come to Germany. First biggest scam which happens here at the train stations, like it happened to with one of my best friends. It didn't happen with me, but it happened with my friend, that she was new here in Germany, and someone offered her help in buying ticket from the ticket machine. So if you are new to Germany, I will prefer that buy ticket from a office. Here are offices of Deutsche Bahn here, train stations offices. There you can buy the ticket, and if you're buying from ticket machine, use the English language option. But if you're still struggling for help, then you have to be very beware of certain fraudsters. Like one person offered my friend his help, and he said, oh, you are going to this place, I am also going to this place, and I already means it was for the whole day ticket and I don't need it anymore, I already traveled, so you can use this ticket. And so my friend bought this ticket from him. He said he will charge money, she can pay him half price, and my friend bought the ticket from him. And luckily she asked one other train officer present at the train station, because she was not sure of the train connection. So the train officer said that no, this ticket is fake. So it was very good for her that she asked before boarding the train. She asked one train officer. Otherwise, if she would have boarded the train and then the some ticket inspector would have checked her and saw that okay, the ticket is fake, then she would be in a trouble. She would have been there would be penalty like that. So that is why it is very common here to be aware of such type of scams. I also give my ticket free of cost to other people. Like other people also share tickets. It is very common here in Germany that they give ticket to other people, but that they don't charge money. That is a thing. So if some person is charging you money for their generosity, then be sure that it is a scam, and you will have to be really aware of that. Rather go to a Reisebureau, which they call it, travel offices, or you just go to ticket machine. You use a language of your choice, English, Spanish, there are so many languages they use, French also. So you can use either of those languages, or if someone is trying to help you, be sure that they are not charging you money for that. Maybe they can ask that, oh, help you, give me this much money. So be aware of that. Second, the biggest scam here, which is very common here in Germany, is tenant scam. The thing is, you are looking for a property to rent here in Germany, and you get a mail, and it has happened with me also, that I have gotten a mail that they offer a rental property on a very cheap rate, and it will be fully furnished. And they say, look, we only want a proper people, family who can look after the apartment, and they will not take care of they will not create any troubles, and that is why we are not even charging that much money. So they will be really take you in so much confidence that they liked your profile a lot, and they will offer you this property. But then what they do, that they will ask you some security deposit in advance, that I am living in UK, so just give me the security deposit in advance and I will mail you the ticket of the apartment. So what happens is that you transfer the money to the bank account of this person, but you never get the key of this apartment. So that is a scam. And then it turns out that the email accounts and everything was fake. In my case, it was, luckily I didn't I was very suspicious of the kind of the mail someone was writing, because people here are generous, but when some generosity is too good to believe, then obviously it is a scam. You have to be very aware of such things, that people keep on telling the stories that, oh, some person gave me free of cost some apartment for living, or I know some Germans who really pay for the other people driving license expenses, for example. But some things are really too good to be true, and instead of whenever you are looking for the apartment, instead of looking for such generous people, look for genuine apartments where you actually see the apartment before renting, and where you have really met the person, the property dealer or the owner of the apartment, and then only when the contract is signed, only then transfer the rent to that person. Next scam is about the jobs. Some people get the emails, even I have gotten such emails about the jobs, that some work from home, that it is very easy job, you just have to work from home and they will transfer me the money, it is just like I will get the packet. Such packets can be illegal, and there are sometimes drugs in them, so you will be in real trouble if you engage in such type of activities. And moreover, you will not even be getting paid for that, because it is, the whole process is a total scam. So please tell the police if you get such type of packets. And first of all, most importantly, don't get into such type of jobs. If any job you think it is too good to be true, it is too easy, believe me, it will be a scam, because working here is not that easy. If you think that you will work nothing and you will get paid for it, no, they will not pay for you for doing no work at all. So be aware of such type of jobs. Same with there are some Schwarzarbeit which they call, like they don't give you the job contract, or they pay you below the minimum wages. Like minimum wage here is around €9, €10 they have done it. And if someone is paying you only €5 and they say that you will not have to pay tax, or you will not have to declare that job, or if you are not entitled to work here but still you are working, that is called Schwarzarbeit, and it is really very serious offense here in Germany. So don't go into such activities, because your visa can be cancelled, you can be arrested. So, and police really catches such type of people. So don't go for such type of work if possible. You know, if you are not entitled to work here, then don't work. First apply for the work permit and only then do it. Moreover, on such type of jobs, you will not have any rights if you will get into an accident. If there is some problem with you medically, something happens, God forbid, then you will not have any right to claim for anything. You will not be able to say anything to the to the authorities. So better not go for such type of things. Next type of scam which is very common here is a scam. They call on telephone, scam callers, and it is common everywhere. It is not only here in Germany. Actually, all types of these scams can be happen with anywhere. It is not only particular to the Germany, but this type of scam really they happen. They call, and but they say that we are calling from the embassy and you have these discrepancies in your document. Transfer this money. This is a penalty, and sometimes we do transfer. It has happened to so many people. And there are some scams when they say that we are from the hospital, from the corona authorities, from the health and they will try to take your bank details. Sometimes they say that we are calling from the Microsoft, your computer is bugged and we want to repair it. Then they will take your bank details. So such type of scams, you have to be really aware of them. These type of scams are really so much common everywhere around the world, and here also in Germany so many people have fallen victim to that, and really they are so convincing on telephone. So you really have to be very aware if someone calls you, that if someone is asking for the money, don't just transfer the money because they are telling on the phone that you have done some error or you have to transfer, otherwise there will be a penalty or you will be arrested. Because unless and until police sends you a letter, like you will get a letter and then you will get a time of 10 days, 15 days, 1 month to transfer the money. Even if there is a penalty, you will always get it by letter, post. That is the thing about Germany, everything comes by post. So you will get a letter in the post and then you will get some time to transfer the money. It will never be like that someone tells you on phone that transfer money right now. So you have to be very aware of such type of scams. That was my aim of making this vlog, that people are aware of such things when they are moving to a different country. Because when we are moving to a different country, we are already very scared. We have so much anxiety, so much curiosity, and so much a little bit of what will happen. Maybe we did something wrong, and we believe whatever is happening around us. So you have to be exercise some little bit of common sense, and I hope my tips helped you. And if they helped you, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, because this is a very important information, not only for the people who are coming to Germany, but for anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, anywhere, because these things happen everywhere. So please share it with your family and friends, and please write them in the comment box if you have some other scams you know, or you have some opinions, some suggestions. Do hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already, and also hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications. Many people say that they don't get notifications of my videos because they haven't hit the bell icon. And please keep on watching my videos, and keep on showering your appreciation and love like ever. And I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.